This is a Cruise News Today special report. Here's Doug Parker.
A tragic story off the coast of Nassau, Bahamas on Tuesday when a Royal Caribbean guest from Harmony of the Seas was attacked and killed by a bull shark. The 58-year-old Pennsylvania woman was snorkeling with her family near Rose Island when the attack occurred just before 2 p.m. local time. The woman was taken to a local hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. For reference, Rose Island is 3 miles east of Paradise Island and is a popular snorkeling and diving spot because of its shallow waters and reefs. Royal Caribbean said that the guest was on an independent shore excursion, meaning that it was not booked through the cruise line, and that they are providing support to the family during this time. A bull shark is one of the most aggressive and temperamental sharks in the region that can typically be found hanging out in shallow waters. Bull sharks have also claimed more lives than the great white shark. Harmony of the Seas is currently sailing a 7-night cruise from Port Canaveral, Florida, where it departed on Sunday. And sea trials have begun for Carnival Cruise Line's upcoming ship Carnival Celebration. The vessel departed a shipyard and is now heading to the wide open sea with officers and naval architects on board to test marine maneuvers, navigational equipment, and to put the engine to all kinds of tests. Celebration is the second of 3 ships for Carnival, powered by liquefied natural gas. The first ship built on the platform for Carnival Cruise Line was Mardi Gras, which debuted last July. Celebration, which will enter service in November, and Carnival Jubilee is number 3 for October of next year. And another Caribbean island has loosened its protocols. Barbados has announced new port entry guidelines for those visiting via cruise ship. For regular port calls in Barbados, fully vaccinated travelers will no longer need to take a COVID test to enter the country and will be free to explore as they wish. Unvaccinated guests, however, must take a rapid antigen test within 48 hours of the ship's arrival into Barbados. All guests, however, must continue to follow the general health guidelines. And cruise line stocks were up on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation up 1%, 9.44. Royal Caribbean up 2%, 41.83. And Norwegian up 2.1%, 13.32. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.